Hello, dear students. How are you? I wish all of you will be healthy and safe. So, student, today I am going to start a new chapter that is dictionaries. So, what are dictionaries? So, dictionaries are mutable, means you can change it, you can add, delete, or modify the elements. An unordered collection of elements. Okay, so here the elements have no specific order. Here the elements can be accessed by using key values, not by specific position. That's why we are saying that a dictionary is an unordered collection of elements. Okay, so here elements are collected in the form of key value pair. So first you have a key, then you have the value. Okay, and that associated keys to values. Okay, so how can we create a dictionary? It's very simple. So each key is separated from its value by column. So first of all you will see the key, and then after you will see the value, and the items are separated by commas as we use in list and tuples, and the whole thing is enclosed in curly braces. In tuple you use parenthesis, in list you use square bracket, but in dictionaries you use curly braces. For example, suppose you have to create a list, the name of the dictionary, the name of the dictionary is student. So this is the key and this is the value. This is the key and this is the value. Similarly, the class is the key and first is the value. It's very simple. Okay, so how can we create a dictionary? It's very simple. You see, so first of all, write down the name of the dictionary, okay, and use the curly braces. Okay, so here, whenever you create a dictionary, you have to use the curly braces, and here you will write down the key. For example, my key is, for example, roll number. Okay, and the value is like 1. Sorry, 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1. Next, this is your first item, and after the to take the second item you have to use the comma. Okay, and write down roll number, name, and this is the key, and the value will be like uh, okay, and the next element, your next key is uh, class, and the class is, for example, class. Okay, so in this way you will create the key. And how to print the dictionary? It's very simple. Write down the print keyword and write down the name of the dictionary and print your. Okay, okay, what is the problem? 0101 is not actually, write down the one only. Okay, so now you can print your dictionary. Suppose if you want to print the name only. Okay, so in this case what you have to do, you have to use dictionary name, use square bracket, and here you will write down the name of the key. If I want to print the name, so write down here the name of the key. So here name of the key is name. So if you use this pattern you will get only name. Okay, if you want to print class also, so write down student. Here you will write down the key name. The key name is class. Okay, if you print this like this, you will get name and class. Okay, so in this way you can print the complete dictionary, and you can print the individual value by using their key name. Okay, let's move next. Okay, so what are empty dictionary? And if you write down simple curly braces, it makes a empty dictionary. Clear? So one thing you have to remember, so keys are unique with a dictionary. Okay, so in a dictionary you will assign a single and unique key, not double. So in this dictionary, in the list of student, you will not assign the another name, another key like roll number. For example, like this, roll number. Okay, it's not a good practice. You can create multiple keys, but it's not a good practice. What will happen if you create duplicate keys? So in this case, what will happen if you write down like this? Here the roll number is 2. If you print roll number, okay, so what will happen? It will print the last value, and it will ignore all the initial values, and it will go to the last key, that is roll number. Okay, let's see. If you see this, you will see the roll number is 2. Okay, but initially it is 1, but now it is printing 2, because whenever you create a duplicate value, in the case of duplicate keys, it will print the value of the last key. Okay. Okay, so keys are unique with a dictionary while values may not be. You can make the values duplicate. The values of a dictionary can be of any type. Okay, for values you can use any type of data type, any value, but keys must be of an immutable data type. Okay, for example, list, number, tuples, etc. Okay, so you have to remember this about this. The keys must be of immutable data type, not list type. Okay. So how can we access the values in a dictionary? It's very simple. Okay. For example, you have a dictionary like this, and if you use dict name here, so this is the name of the keys, as I have told you earlier. First of all, write down the dictionary name and and the name of the key. Dictionary name and name of the key. Using this, you can access the element of the dictionary. So next one is updating dictionary. So what do you mean updation? Updation means to change the values or adding a new record. It is known updation. So how can we update the value, or how can we add a new key value pair in a dictionary? Let's say, suppose, okay, move it. Okay, if you want to update the roll number, name, etc. So what we have to do, it's very simple. Write down student and write down the key name. Okay, suppose your key name is roll number, and the roll number now will be modified to 1 to 10. Okay, now try to print your result. Print. Now if you print the dictionary, you will see the updated value. Now you can see the roll number is 10, not 1. So in this case, I have updated the roll number of a student. Okay, if you want to add a new key value pair for this, what you have to do, write down the dictionary name, then after key value. Okay, key, which key you want to add. For example, here I want to add city, and the name of the city is Hathras. Okay, so now this is the updation of the value, and this is the adding of new key value pair. So this is your key and this is your value. Okay, if you run this program, now you will see a new key. So in this dictionary you have only three keys: roll number, name, and class. But here you can see the 4 keys: roll number, name, class, and city. So here I have added a new key value pair. Okay, so this is the updation of dictionary. So in this way you can update your dictionary. You can modify the key value pair, and you can add the new key value pair also. Okay, so next one is how to delete a dictionary, or how can we delete the dictionary element. Okay, so you can either remove individual dictionary elements or clear the entire content of the dictionary, or you can also delete entire dictionary in a single operation. You can remove individual dictionary element, you can clear all the items at once, and you can also delete the entire dictionary also. Okay, if you want to explicitly remove an entire dictionary, just use the del statement. If you want to delete the whole dictionary at once, so simple, use the del statement. Let's see how. It's very simple. Suppose this is your dictionary. Okay, so here if you use the del keyword, so del what? Student. Okay, if you print it, now you will get the error. Okay, so after using del keyword, your dictionary is removed. If you print this is dictionary again, so it will raise the error because student dictionary doesn't exist. Let's see. You can see, so he till now you are getting the dictionary, but after using the del statement, you can see name student is not defined. Why? Because the student dictionary is removed. So using del keyword, you can remove your entire dictionary. Okay, if you want to remove the element of the dictionary, okay, this is your first element, second element, third element, like this. So in this case, what you will do, you will write down the simple name of the key. If you want to remove name, so in this case, your second key value pair name will be removed. Let's see. And you can see in the here till now you have the this key value pair, but after using del keyword, now you are removing the name key value pair using name and the value. Okay, Abhay Sharma will be removed. So here you can see this key value pair is not here. You have removed this key value pair. Okay. Okay, so delete a dictionary element. So if, use del keyword, or if you want to remove a dictionary element, sorry, dictionary element. Okay, if you want to remove entire dictionary, simple use del keyword. If you want to remove a dictionary element, okay, so for this what you have to do, you have to use del keyword, dictionary name and key here. Okay, as we have used here dictionary del keyword, dictionary name and the name of the key. Okay, if you want to remove all entries, not the dictionary, what you have to do, you want to remove all the entries, not dictionary. So in this case, you will use clear function. So syntax is write down the dictionary name dot and use clear keyword. Okay, let's see. This is your dictionary. Okay, if you use student dot clear. Okay, so in this case, what you will get, now you can see your dictionary is emptied now. Okay, after using clear function, all the entries will be removed. Okay, so this is about the deletion of. Okay, so now I am revising again. Okay, you get revised again. If you use del keyword, simply del and the dictionary name, so it will remove the dictionary, it will remove the entire dictionary. Okay, in this case you will get the error because the name is not defined, because you have removed the dictionary. If you want to remove the particular element, particular key value pair, so in this case you have to write down the name of the key, this. Okay, so in this case you can see your key value pair for class is removed. Okay, if you want to remove, if you want to clear all the elements, not the whole dictionary, so in this case you will use the clear. Okay, clear function. Okay, the clear function will remove all the entries, not the dictionary. Okay, now what are the properties of dictionary? Properties of dictionary keys. Okay, so what is keys? As you know, a dictionary is mutable. Dictionary is mutable. It means you can add, remove. The properties of dictionary, not keys, is mutable. It means you can add, remove and modify the elements of the dictionary as you have done earlier. You can add, you can remove and you can modify the elements. Okay, so dictionary has no sequences. It is unordered set of values. Okay, so here now there is no sequence of the element. You can write down these elements anywhere in any position. So this is the unordered set of elements. Okay, so indexed by keys, not numbers. So here the values are indexed by keys, not the number, as we have done in list. In list and tuple, you can access the elements by their index number, like 0 1 2 3 4, or -1 -2 and -3 and so on. But here the values are indexed by keys, not particular number. Okay, Next one, the duplication of keys not allowed. As I have told you, duplication of keys is not allowed. When duplicate keys encountered during assignment, the last assignment wins. In the case, if you have the duplicate keys, in this case, the last assignment wins. For example, here you have the key with name, and here you have the key with name. So here you have the duplicate keys. If you run this program like this dict name, so now it will print money, not Krishna. Why? Because the last assignment wins, so it will print the last assignment, not first, second, third, and so on. Okay. Keys must be immutable. Keys must be immutable. Your keys may be tuples, numbers, strings, but not list, not not mutable type, not must no. Okay, so which means you can use string, number, or tuples as dictionary keys, but something like key, this is the list, is not allowed. Okay, so this is the for example you have this like this. So here your key is list. Now it is raising the error, unhashable type list. Okay, so this is the introductory part of your dictionary. So in the next session I will explain more about dictionary. Okay, you will learn various functions, various methods, and traversing of the dictionary. Okay, thank you students enough for this session. Have a nice day, be healthy, be safe.